Kat here. Let's begin with the different parts of the ukulele. So it's helpful to think about it in 3 different parts: the head, the neck, and the body. The head, the neck, and the body. Let's start with the head, or the headstock of the ukulele. So here we have 4 tuning pegs, and these are what you'll turn very slightly to tighten or loosen the strings to tune your instrument. We'll talk more about tuning in the next video. And you'll see this is where the strings connect at the top on the head here. This bar right here is called the nut. And now we're going to move down to the neck of the ukulele. So this is also known as the fretboard, and it's where the frets live. So these are frets. You might have dots on your ukulele, and these show you specific frets on your instrument. So we can count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that dot is showing us that's the 5th fret. If you keep going, there's a dot on the 7th fret, the 10th fret, and the 12th fret. You won't need the dots to get started, but it's nice to know what they are. Let's move down to the body of the ukulele. This is the sound hole. It's where the sound comes out. This is the bridge of the ukulele, and it's where the strings connect. So all the way from the bridge, up the neck, to the tuning pegs on the headstock. And you might have a strap button on the bottom where you can connect a strap if you like, but some ukuleles don't have that, and that's okay. Let's see how many different parts of the ukulele you can remember. So we separate it into 3 parts. That's right, the head, the neck, and the body. What is this hole called? Awesome. If you said sound hole, that's correct. What about this special piece right here? Squirrels like it. That's the nut. These are the tuning pegs. Great job. Let's do one more. These spaces on the fretboard are called frets. That's exactly right. This is where you'll eventually put your fingers to push down to make a chord or to play a melody. Great job getting to know your ukulele. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I like to strum ukulele all day. It's time to learn and play. Ukulele Kat, she can help with that.